Hello and welcome to this video series on light and dark. My name is Anemona Krisan and I'm a visual artist based in Vienna in Austria. And in this video series I'm going to talk about and show you my artworks on the topic of light and shadow, light and darkness. Darkness is very present at this moment, both in nature, we're in the winter time on the northern hemisphere at least, but also in our society. So I thought it's a good idea to address this topic of light and darkness, of polarities, of the dynamics between these two concepts, what darkness actually means, how I approach this topic in my works, and how I navigate this dynamics, fight between these two polarities, how we can use darkness for our own self-reflection, for our own self-discovery, for our own inner work, shadow work. So it's about light and darkness, light and shadow, how light creates the darkness and darkness creates the light, how we can transform this polarity, this duality actually, through recognizing that these two parts are actually complementing each other, that they are both within us, what that means, what darkness can bring us, can teach us, what light can teach us, and also how to transform, evolve, use this polarity to be creative, to become the phoenix who rises up from its own ashes. Because, of course, this time of the year, in the northern hemisphere at least, it's about darkness, it's about longer nights than days, it's about going within, nature does it too. Animals are having their hibernation, we are saving resources, we are going inward, we are going into this self-reflection, we are coming to the end of the year. We are starting to reflect upon the good things, the bad things that happened during this year, things that we can release, things that we might need to understand, but not only from our mental, rational level, but also from our body, from our soul, emotionally, so in a multidimensional way. So this end of the year also marks the beginning of the next year. So we are facing this idea of death and rebirth, in a way. And that means that we need to, or we have, I think, the intuition and the drive to reflect, to alchemize what happened during the last year and maybe the last years, because they were very challenging for most of us on many, many levels. So with these works that I'm going to show you in this video series, I want to inspire you to start this journey, this inner journey of self-discovery, to go into this darkness, into your own universe, which is dark, and discover what you can find within, the light that you can find within this darkness. And I invite you to let these works inspire you to feel into this, to feel into the polarities, to play with these polarities, and to have the courage, by getting to know them, how to transform, transcend them, and become the phoenix who rises up from their own ashes, and become a light creator who is accepting and using both the light and the darkness within to create, to become authentic, and to create a new world, to build a new world, to co-create with others. I hope to see you in the next video on the topic of light and dark polarity. See you soon and take care.